Now today I'm going to do a cold start on this firebird here that I call the furbird. Like all my cold start videos. I gotta hook the battery up. I'm sure you don't want to watch me hook the battery up, so I'll be back.
Hey guys, it's Cece here. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a thumbs up.
Alright, battery's hooked up. Now we'll get inside, see if we can get her to run. Which should run. I backed it out here, maybe 4 or 5 days ago. Had to do some work in the shop. We'll see what she does. Make sure it's in park. We got lights, we got power. Come on. I ran for a little bit. Come on. You're a little cold-blooded. No choke, single plane intake. She don't want to stay running, but I think you get the idea. Anyways, this is a project I've been working on, and it's getting nowhere. About all that's left is start doing bodywork. The drivetrain's all done, needs a front end alignment. Engine's all done. All that good stuff. I still need to work on this fender. This is an AMD fender. It's a piece of crap because it doesn't fit where the dam. But you can see right there how wide the gap is. It was damaged when I got it in the corner there. It didn't fit where the crap down there either. I had to cut the steel support on the inside in about 3 spots and bend that in because it hung out too much. It came down here and it stuck out. But anyways, it's a cold start on the firebird. I had to pull it in the shop here. Oh, got her in the shop. Sounds pretty good. This is one I did the muffler test on a while back. I like the sound of these mufflers way better than the other ones. Still a little loud, but I might eventually put some tailpipes on.